afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. It's me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again. And in today's video, you guys already saw by the title that we're going to be discussing protein treatments. When are we supposed to do them? What are they? Should we be doing them? I'm going to be answering all of those questions today. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. Okay, first things first, before we even go anywhere, I want to take the time to thank each and every one of you guys for commenting, for liking, for ensuring that your notification bells are on. You guys are switched on. Like, you guys are actually becoming my internet bestie. So if you've seen your name pop up somewhere in this video, that's just me showing you gratitude and saying really thank you for commenting, because you could have chosen anybody else's content on YouTube, but you chose my YouTube and you watch my videos. Yes, listen, 10K subscribers is loading, okay? And we are on this journey together. So without any further ado, you guys, I'm going to show you something that's been going on in my shower. I have a slight dilemma, and because of that, I'm also as well as time pressed to actually wash my hair. Okay, so let me share my dilemma with you guys. Okay, do you guys see this? This is my shower. Okay, and it's under maintenance right now because the pipe is leaking and I have to wash my hair. So we're just gonna use the kitchen sink because I need to take out this content. As promised, I am a consistent babe now. Okay, I quickly want to discuss all the products that we're going to be needing in order for us to have a successful wash day. You're going to be needing a shampoo, a protein feed conditioner. You guys know that I've used this conditioner. Particularly, I like it because it has protein. And then last but not least, we are going to use a mixture of the Dr. Lovely Aloe Vera hair treatment together with the AfriTrue Naturals Moisturizing Curls Conditioner. This is a Clicks brand, and the reason why I'm using the both of them is because with this one I have a little lift, so I'm just going to finish off and then move on to this one. Then you're going to need some clips if you would like to section your hair, especially if you have longer hair. This is what I would obviously suggest you use. And if you want to further detangle, I don't recommend that you wash your hair before you detangle it. So there are some people who like to shampoo and then detangle while they're shampooing. Last but not least, you're going to need some sort of microfiber towel in order to dry your hair. I got this one from naturalhair.co, I believe, including these hair clips as well. Okay, let us get into understanding what it is, what's a protein treatment, when are you supposed to use it, and why. So first of all, it's really important for you to understand that our hair is composed up to 95% of creatine products, which are located in the cortex of your hair, that provides strength and elasticity to your hair / your curls or your coils. And without protein, your hair would be super limp and lifeless. So how do you know that you actually need a protein treatment? You will know if your hair needs protein if it lacks definition. When you pull it or stretch it, it doesn't bounce back, which is not a good thing. And you also suffer from tangles and breakage as well. If your hair also feels like gummy, like I don't even know how to explain it, like if it's gummy like after you wash it, that's a sign that you need protein and you are not prioritizing it because your hair isn't bouncing back as well as if you are doing, like if you're blow drying your hair frequently, then you also may experience heat damage, and that is why you would also need a protein treatment. As well as if you decide to dye your hair, that's actually especially when you need a protein treatment. So I decided that I'm going to first wash my hair as the first session with the clarifying / moisturizing shampoo that I'm using, and then I am going to do a second wash. The reason for a second wash is so that your hair can actually finally become super clean, because the first session was for you to just remove all of the dirt, the product buildup, and the gunk. Make sure that you are starting your wash day with hair that's already detangled, only because your hair will further tangle if you hadn't detangled it first. And then ensure that you are using your fingertips and not your nails to scrub and cleanse your scalp. I quickly want to apply the protein conditioner. So here we go. This is me just applying the conditioner. And this conditioner says you must leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. Okay, maybe 10 minutes. I quickly want to eat something. Well, eat when I deep condition, which could be smarter. Okay, while I was waiting for this protein to cook my hair, my little sister called me and she's actually getting her hair braided. And I was very, very tempted, and I was just like, it's okay, baby girl. You will find a style that you're gonna do and share it with you guys, and not commit to a permanent hairstyle, because I want to play around with my hair. Okay, so let us rinse this protein conditioner off, and then we're going to apply the deep conditioner, and then that's it, we're done. I thought I was gonna have enough energy to blow dry my hair today. I don't. So let us discuss the benefits of using a protein treatment on hair. First, it will strengthen your hair, especially if you are prone to very brittle and hair that breaks very easily. I highly suggest you consider looking at your hair regimen and ensuring that you're incorporating a protein treatment at least 6 to 8 weeks. And then it will also help to soften and give your hair a smoother texture. So if you are somebody who has very dry hair, the protein will dry your hair, but in a good way, if that makes any sense, because after you use the protein treatment, you need to follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner. The third benefit of using a protein treatment is that it will allow for your hair to be fuller and healthier. And the fourth reason is it will help to stop and prevent hair breakage. And the fifth reason is it will also help to retain moisture for longer in your hair, especially if you have a good wash day routine that you have put in place, whereby you know every second week or every third week you are washing your hair, and you're also scheduling the correct amount of protein treatments throughout the year. So you need to be taking care of your hair throughout the year. It's not just 1 month good, the third month bad. You need to try to be as consistent as possible. And I have done my protein treatment, and now I have moved on to a deep moisturizing conditioner. The reason why you want to use a moisturizing conditioner after you do a protein treatment is so that the moisturizing conditioner can put moisture and retain moisture back into your hair. Okay, y'all, so I am done deep conditioning. I left this conditioner on my hair for about 1 hour 20 minutes. I ate, I choked, I watched something, and now I'm gonna rinse that. I'm gonna rinse it out, and the reason why I just used a normal plastic bag, and I used my microfiber towel just to trap in some of the heat, and that's it. Like, this is how my hair looks. So I'm gonna quickly go rinse, and then we're gonna wrap up this video because I do not want it to go for long. You guys can use a hooded dryer if you have it. Obviously, I will recommend you use a hooded dryer, but if you don't have it, the old way of just using normal plastic and microfiber towel will do the work.